What's up guys, my name is Karo Isse and I'm a music producer slash sample maker from South Africa, and in today's video I'll be breaking down how to make samples. So I started the sample with a grand piano, and this is how the chords sound like. So nothing major going on here, it's just simple minor chords. And this is how the pattern looks like. And for processing, I didn't really do much. So after that I added vocals, and this is how the vocals sound like. I need you around. So for the processing on the vocals, I added auto-tune, and this is the preset. So the retune speed is at 20, the flex tune is at 52, and the humanize is all the way up, and I also made use of the Foreman shifter. It's at 135. What this does is it lowers the pitch of your vocals and it makes them sound more darker. And also another advice when making vocals is to just sing easy things that more like sing-alongs basically, so that it will be more easier for artists to also use the sample. So after the vocals I added a pad, and this is how the pad sounds like. So after the pad I added another set of vocals, and these vocals are not really unique. They are the same vocals I played earlier. The only difference here is that I pitched them up and I reversed them. So this is how they sound like. So after the vocals, I added this synth synth pad. It's from Expand, and this is how it sounds. So what this is doing is it's playing the top lines of the chords to add interesting notes on top of the chords, so that the sample does not get boring. So after that I added texture to add movement to the sample, and this texture sounds like this. After that I added another layer of synth. This is a Synth Brass from Expand, and it sounds like this. And after the Synth Brass, I decided to add a bass, and this bass is from a plugin called Aminator 2. The preset of the bass is Chariots 1, and this is how the bass sounds like. sounds very dark and creepy, which was what I wanted for this sample. After that, I added another synth from that same plugin I used for the bass called Aminator 2. And the synth is also just playing top lines, but this time it's playing the starting parts of the chords. So it's more of an accent to the chord, and it sounds like this. So that's the sample. Let me show you the master effects that I used. So I used a good Hertz valve compressor 3, and these are the settings. So it's compressing 70% of the signal, but the mix level is only at 65%, so it's not really doing that much. After that, I added a PX limiter to boost the gain a little bit up. And now this is the final sample. So yeah, that's the full sample, and I hope you enjoyed the sample. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content if you enjoyed this video. My sample packs will also be in the description if you want to download them. Thank you once again. See you next week.